Hello, my name is Elizabeth Flores. For today's objective, we will be doing addition and subtraction for third grade. The TEKS is select tools, including real-life objects, manipulatives, paper and pencil, technology as appropriate, and techniques, including mental math, estimation, and number sense as appropriate to solve problems. So basically, the grade level is third. We want them to be able to be able to do mental math in their head when it comes to this activity that we will be doing, um, as well as using these manipulatives. They will be able to have paper and pencil to use if they are confused, if they want to double check their work, make sure they're correct before adding on to the activity. So basically, they will be using this, and it has addition and subtraction problems in here. So what they will be able to do is we have triangles like this that have addition, addition, addition. There's others that also have subtraction. So what they have to do is say for 12 plus 1, 12 plus 1 is 13. They would have to find another one that equals to also 13. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. So you would just combine them together and they would tell me, the teacher, like, oh, hi, miss, I have one problem down. So here's one example of an addition. And then you can also continue on um with 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So they would know that the difference of 3 plus 2 and 2 plus 3 are still the exact same amount. So here's another one, 3 plus 2. Now this one I combine a subtraction problem with an addition problem, which is these two. So you have 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 plus 0, 4. So we combine them. And then again, they will be able to use as many triangles as they want. Use as many triangles as you want. 10 plus 5 is 15. Look for another one that also equals 15. 7 plus 3 is 10. Look for another problem that also equals 10. 6 plus 3 is 9. Look for another one that equals 9. And that will be to let me know that they're able to do mental math on their own, depending on how many pairs that they can come up with. The paper and pencil will help me know too that they need that extra help, or they're relying on being sure that they do know what's the correct answer. They do know that 2 plus 3 and 3 plus 2 is still the same amount of numbers at the end. There's no confusion. And the TEKS was basically to let me know that they can solve these problems on their own in a group. This can be as a center, this can be still as a regular activity of a lesson of the day, to make sure that they are understanding the gist of addition and subtraction. They are understanding that these triangles are to get their attention, to grasp their attention, and to make sure that it's not just paper and pencil math problems all the way down. This is a way to incorporate them, to have fun, to be able to come with so many possibilities of different math problems with just a triangle like this, but they'll be able to expand their knowledge in many ways of even adding addition and subtraction, but it's still the same number, or addition, addition, and subtraction and subtraction. And that will be my manipulative for this third grade TEKS. Thank you.